Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. So great to have you with us today.
Today we want to help you with something that happens to everyone learning English. Someone asks you a simple question and suddenly you can't think of anything to say.
Oh, I see this with my students all the time. They understand the question perfectly, they know all the words, but when it's time to answer,
Um, uh, well, nothing.
but here's the good news. Most everyday questions are similar. Once you have some ready answers, everything becomes so much easier.
Exactly. So today we'll practice the questions people ask you every single day, and we'll show you how to answer naturally and with confidence.
Think of it this way. Once you have these ready answers, English conversations stop feeling scary and start feeling comfortable.
So let's start with the very basics. When you meet someone new, what's usually the first thing they ask?
Usually, what's your name? Or where are you from? These sound simple, but there's actually a good way to answer them.
Right. You want to give enough information to keep the conversation going. For names, you say I'm or my name is, but then add something friendly.
Like, nice to meet you. Those small words make such a big difference.
And for where are you from, don't just name the country, give them something interesting. I'm from Brazil. I live in Rio. It's right by the ocean.
Or mention something special about your place. I'm from South Korea, from a city called Busan. It's famous for seafood. Now they have something to ask about.
Exactly. Let me show you what this sounds like. Ben, I'll ask some introduction questions and you can show how to give great answers.
Perfect. I'll answer the way our students do when they give strong answers.
Hi there. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Miguel. Really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Miguel. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. I live in Valencia. It's on the east coast and has beautiful beaches.
That sounds amazing. How long have you been studying English?
About 2.5 years now. I'm hoping to study abroad next year.
Perfect. Did you notice how each answer included something extra and interesting?
Right. Instead of just, I'm from Spain, I said, I live in Valencia. It's on the east coast and has beautiful beaches.
And you mentioned your goal, study abroad next year. Those details keep conversations alive and interesting.
So once you've covered the basic introductions, conversations naturally move to the next level. People usually want to know about your daily life and what you do.
Exactly. After learning your name and where you're from, work questions come up everywhere. What do you do? Or how was your day?
For work, be clear and specific. Don't just say, I work in an office. Say, I'm a graphic designer, or I work as a nurse.
Then add where or what type. I'm a graphic designer at a marketing company, or I work as a nurse in the emergency room.
Here's something important about how was your day. People aren't asking for every detail. They want to know how you feel about your day.
Right, you might say, it was great, thanks. I finally finished that big presentation. Or, pretty busy, but good.
Emily, let me ask you about your day and show everyone how this works in real conversation.
Great idea.
Hey, Emily, how was your day today?
Oh, it was really wonderful. I had this amazing class where we practiced job interviews, and my students did really well.
That sounds fantastic. What exactly do you teach?
I teach English conversation and business communication. Most of my students are professionals who need English for work.
Do you enjoy your work?
I absolutely love it. There's nothing better than watching someone become confident and get the job they want. Plus, I get to learn about so many different industries.
Excellent. Notice how Emily shared her feelings and explained exactly why she loves her work?
Exactly. I said I absolutely love it and then gave specific reasons, watching students succeed and learning about different industries.
Now, work questions help people understand what you do, but then conversations usually get more personal. People want to know what you enjoy in your free time.
That's such a natural flow. Questions like, what kind of music do you like? Or do you enjoy reading? Help people understand who you are as a person.
The key is being specific rather than general. Instead of, I like music, try, I really love rock music and jazz. Have you heard of John Mayer?
And for yes/no questions, always add more information. Yes, I love reading. I really love mystery novels right now.
Here's a good tip. Mentioning what you don't like shows you're really thinking about the question.
Like, I enjoy most types of movies, but honestly, scary films aren't really my thing. That gives a complete picture of your taste.
Let me ask you about your interests, Emily.
Sure.
Are you into watching movies?
Oh, yes, I really love romantic comedies and movies with beautiful visuals. Horror movies, though, I don't like them.
What about cooking? Do you like spending time in the kitchen?
Actually, yes. I love trying new recipes on weekends. During the week, it's usually just quick stir fries or pasta.
Perfect. You gave specific examples and explained how your cooking changes during different times.
Right, I mentioned trying new recipes on weekends versus quick stir fries during the week. That's much more interesting than just, yes, I cook.
Speaking of time, here's where conversations often go next, talking about how you spend your free time, and there's one question that comes up everywhere.
Oh, I know exactly what you're thinking. What are you doing this weekend? Every Friday afternoon. Or, how was your weekend? First thing Monday morning.
For future plans, use I'm planning to or I'm thinking about. And if you're not certain, try I might or I'll probably.
And here's something important. You don't need exciting plans. It's perfectly fine to say, nothing too special, just catching up on some reading.
Exactly. Or pretty quiet weekend, maybe some grocery shopping and Netflix. People like honest answers.
For past weekends, remember your past tenses. I ended up, or I spent most of Saturday.
Quick practice. Emily, what are your weekend plans looking like?
I'm meeting my sister for brunch tomorrow at this cute place downtown. Sunday, I'll probably do some gardening if the weather is good.
Sounds lovely. What's the name of the brunch place?
It's called the Garden Table. They make these amazing avocado benedicts that my sister is always talking about.
Wonderful. You gave specific details that help people understand and make the conversation interesting.
Those little details, like the garden table and avocado benedicts my sister is always talking about, give people so much to respond to.
Now, all these questions we've covered so far have been pretty straightforward, but there's another type that's really interesting when people want to know what you actually think about things.
Oh, yes, opinion questions like, what do you think about working from home? Or, are you more of a coffee person or tea person?
Start with your actual opinion using I think or honestly, then give your reasons.
If you're not sure about something, that's totally fine. You can say, I'm not sure about that, or it really depends.
It depends is really useful. It depends on the situation, or it depends what you're looking for.
Ben, what do you think about social media these days?
Honestly, I have good and bad feelings about it. I love staying connected with old friends, but sometimes it feels like too much pressure to have a perfect life online.
Great answer. You talked about both the positive and negative sides with specific examples.
You know what's interesting? Opinion questions often lead to talking about specific topics, and one topic that comes up almost everywhere is food.
So true. Whether you're at restaurants, parties, or just chatting with colleagues, food is a great way to start talking with people. What's your favorite food? Or do you like spicy food?
For food preferences, be specific and tell stories. Instead of I like Asian food, try I really love Vietnamese pho because it's so comforting on cold days.
And when people ask about your eating habits, mention real places. I usually pack my lunch, but there's this taco truck near my office that I really want to try.
Emily, what kind of food gets you excited?
Oh, I really love Mediterranean food. All that fresh olive oil, herbs, and grilled vegetables. I also really love Indian curry.
Do you actually cook those types of food at home?
I try my best. I can make a good Greek salad and simple pasta dishes. Indian food, though, I let restaurants make that. Way too hard for me.
Perfect. You were excited about what you love and honest about your cooking skills.
You know what goes hand in hand with food questions? Weather talk. It seems like every culture uses weather as a conversation starter.
Absolutely. Beautiful day, isn't it? Or what's your favorite season? You hear these in elevators, coffee shops, everywhere.
For current weather, describe it and add your feelings. It's beautiful and sunny today, perfect for eating lunch outside.
For seasonal preferences, always explain why. Fall is my favorite because I love the cool air and all those beautiful colors.
You can also connect it to activities. Summer's the best because I get to spend hours at the beach with friends.
Emily, which season do you like best?
I'm totally a spring person. I really love seeing everything come back to life after winter. Plus, the temperature is just perfect for long walks.
How's the weather today?
It's partly cloudy and around 75 degrees. Really nice. I'm definitely taking a walk in the park after we finish here.
Excellent. You described the weather specifically and mentioned how it's affecting your plans.
Now, we've covered a lot of conversation topics, but there's one more everyday topic: shopping and the things you buy.
Right. Questions about shopping help people understand how you live. Where do you usually shop? Or what's the last thing you bought?
Be specific about places. Instead of the store, say, I do most of my grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, but I go to Target for things for my house.
And for do you enjoy shopping, be honest about different types. I love looking around bookstores for hours, but clothes shopping, that's really hard for me.
Ben, how do you feel about shopping?
It really depends what I'm shopping for. Electronics stores and bookstores, I could stay there for a long time. Grocery shopping, though, I'm in and out as fast as possible.
What's something you've bought recently?
I just got a new coffee maker last weekend. My old one finally stopped working after 5 years, and I can't start my day without my morning coffee.
Perfect. You told us what, when, why, and added a personal detail about your coffee habit.
All right, everyone, we've covered a lot today, from introductions to work, hobbies to weekends, opinions to food, weather to shopping. But let me share the most important thing to remember.
Here it is. Try to connect with people. Don't try to be perfect. People want to get to know you as a person, not judge your grammar.
Exactly. Small mistakes happen. Even native speakers make them. What matters is sharing your thoughts, experiences, and personality.
Remember, every conversation makes you stronger. The more you practice these everyday questions, the more natural everything becomes.
Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments, answer this question. What's something you're really looking forward to this month?
Use everything we talked about today, give details, explain why, and make it personal.
We read every single comment and love helping you practice. And if today's episode helped you feel more confident for English conversations, please subscribe.
Thanks for practicing with us today. You're doing a great job, and we believe in you.
See you next time on Daily Duo English.
Bye, everyone.